Where do we start? As always, in the messy garage. One box. Ignore all these other bits, they're from other stuff. One car. What would be in the box? I mean, that's gonna give it away anyway, isn't it? But if we get in, good packaging for such cheap coilovers. I've spot already. That's what we're putting on. Some Maxpeeding. These are not proper budget though, so you can get cheaper, but these were on offer, so I think they worked out about £250 for a full set, and I'll be honest, I'm quite impressed with the quality. I did think they were going to be more red and they look a bit more pink, but let's get everything out. I mean, everything is well packaged, looks pretty decent. I mean, I know it's not going to be a set of like your Oling stuff or anything like that, but let me get the camera in a better angle. Hang on. For the money, you can't complain. This is a front, fairly big piston, loads of adjustment on the front, everything's branded and marked up. There's adjustment on the top for the sort of rebounds. You need to set that in the middle. But yeah, I'm gonna take these out, check and set up the preloads. I think I ain't got much time tonight, so I'm gonna do the rears to start with, because I imagine they're going to be the easiest. But saying that, you know, bolts are going to break, so yeah, rears should be pretty easy. Basically a separate shock, spring, you can get your spring perch or spring seats. So yeah, I'll have a quick read through the instructions, which I don't think there's going to be much of these, but right, I'm not going to do step by step, but yeah, let's get them on, and it's one less job to be done. And ignore all this, and ignore this.